It's been raining all morning, really heavy. I wasn't going to do a video of the new bed of asparagus, but I'm tempted. I started to hold up this morning and press the seedlings down, but unfortunately it started raining. I got soaked. You can feel the rain coming on again. I think this is the first time the seedlings have had heavy rain on them, so it'll be interesting to see, but they're definitely starting to grow well. Sweet corn's flying away as well. The little sprouts need treating. It's bug clear, it's too wet. Yeah, plenty of growth. Strawberries are picking up with the weather as well.